Where are we going?
To the beach.
To the beach. You look cute. Well, we forgot the sand toys at home. I don't know how we didn't remember to bring those. We knew we were coming to a beach. So I'm on a mission to go find some sand toys. I got information from the hotel where to get them, but I realized all my money is with Adam, so I have to go to get him. And he is currently on the beach getting some sunscreen on Alexa because she wanted to go play at the beach today. Look at this view though. See the mountains and then the water? Yeah, we had 2 days of walking around the city, so we decided we needed a beach day to just relax on the beach after spending 2 days in the city sightseeing. So here we go. We're heading back to the beach. We left the beach earlier so we could go back to the hotel and get lunch, and Miss Alexa could get a nap. Uh-oh, her shoe came undone.
Can we put them on the right feet?
No.
It's okay, Daddy. She's gonna take them off in like 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yep, so Miss Alexa got a nap, and now we're going back to the beach. Well, we were headed to the beach, and then I realized the camera battery is almost dead. So I'm gonna go grab a new battery for it before we get down there, because we do want to do some filming while we're down there. So I'm gonna grab a new battery and then I'm gonna meet them. Dad took Alexa already, so I'm just gonna meet them down at the water in a second. So you guys can join us down there as soon as I get down there. Okay, much better. New battery. That way it doesn't die. The other one wasn't dead, but it was getting pretty low, so I wanted to make sure I didn't run out of battery in the middle of filming. Now I'm gonna go meet Dad and Alexa at the beach. had a good day playing at the beach, and now we're just going for a nice walk on the boardwalk, enjoying the view. Alexa's in the stroller, and we're just gonna go for a walk. Of course, we walk the boardwalk and we have to come to the playground she found on the first day. This place is pretty neat. Is this cool? No.
We got an entire sand bucket full of seashells. Pretty lucky kid.
I guess we're just gonna do laps across the pirate ship.
I slipped.
She slipped. She's okay.
I'm okay.
If you ever want to come to Barcelona, I suggest staying slightly outside of Barcelona because Castelldefels, Spain is beautiful. This city is gorgeous. Yum. Kind of. I want a pastry. This is delicious. We can take that in there. You see anything you like? Those down there? You like those down there?
Yes, I like those.
Okay. Slight detour to get some pastries, but yum! Can't wait to eat them when we get back to the hotel. This city is gorgeous. Let's check out these pastries we just got. I want to see your pastry you got. Hold on. All right, that's the one you picked. Right there. Is that yummy?
Yeah, I think that icing.
Yeah, try it. Let's check out this pastry Mom got. Yum! Oh, look at them. I don't even know what they are, but they look so good. Yum! Let's see yours, Dad. Ooh. Let me see. That looks really good.
Pretty sure that's it is chocolate.
Oh, that piece on top?
That's a chocolate coat of arms.
That is pretty cool. All right, take a bite. Tell me how it is.
You take by yours first.
You do it first.
It's so pretty, I don't really want to eat it.
Is it good?
I should have bought the big one.
Why is it that good? What's it taste like?
Kind of like a coffee inside, and this is like honey.
Okay. All right, let's try this thing. I don't even know what it is, but let's see. It's like a croissant and powdered sugar with chocolate. It's really good. Really good. Yummy.